kitchen sink mold removal, let us show you a few steps that it entails to get rid of it. All right, kitchen sink mold. There was a leak here, and you could see that the mold is starting to grow. There is this island. So what we're going to do today is we're going to build a sealed containment here and perform some demolition and mold treatment. So this is the before. All right, some of the things you'll need when you're performing kitchen mold removal is you'll need some nice clean rags. You'll need a fogger. This is an electrostatic fogger that actually does a great job in getting the antimicrobial inside areas that you can't get to. So any type of airspace, this does a great job with injecting in those areas. A good HEPA-vac sawzall to cut the wood, along with a full body protection and a full mask, proper tape. All right, so you can see that we've outlined the barrier that we're going to be creating. The reason why we use blue tape is so we don't peel the paint off, so it does require specialized tape that protects the paint. So once we build out our sealed containment and outline it, then next step is to use a sticky tape. This is specifically for remediation. What we do is we just make a little tube, and then you'll see how we do that. What we want to do is just cut a piece of the sticky tape, and what we typically do is just fold it and loop it. What you want to do is just make little tubes like that. You have to make enough to outline where you're going to put the containment. So we just kind of prefab them, set them all into place, and then we'll show you what the next step is on how and where to apply them. All right, now you can see that we're taking these and applying them to the inside of our blue tape outline. And the reason why we're doing that is because we're going to be attaching our 6mm plastic. And we want it in the inside so we have enough room to apply our green tape over the blue tape. Again, we'll show you what that looks like once we complete the outline here with the sticky tape. All right, so now we take our 6mm plastic and just apply it to the sticky tape. And as you can see, this is just one person doing this, so it doesn't require multiple people because that sticky tape and if you can notice, we're just to the right of the register because if we're doing demolition, there's a high elevation spore count. You don't want it going in your air duct system, so we're protecting that. All right, folks, this is why it's so important to build a containment. Look at all the moldy material behind the cabinetry here. Yeah, you want to go ahead and seal off the moldy material in proper bag.
Hey guys, so here we are, and what I'm doing here is doing a quick... Alright, so here's our post remediation video under the sink after we rebuilt the bottom of the cabinet. And you can see here.
All right, folks, and you're probably wondering, what does kitchen sink black mold removal cost? Well, it all depends. You know, if you hire a company that's going to be doing it from A to Z, meaning do the mold removal along with putting the kitchen cabinet right back and waterproofing everything, mold removal for a kitchen sink can cost anywhere from about as low as about $700 and as high as about $4,000. Most people spend around $1,500 to $2,000. So that'll give you a little bit of an insight on what it costs to remove mold. Well, folks, hopefully this gave you inside information on how to remove mold from your kitchen sink. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this, give us thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button.